You guessed it, Jesse here with Evolved Sound Solutions. Today we're working on a Behringer EP Europower 2500. This guy needs a little bit of cleaning on the inside, but it does come with a filter, which has stopped a lot of the dust. So I'm going to go ahead and back blow the filter, try to clean out some of the particles there. And then we'll just flip this amp on the side and dust it out lightly. There's not a whole bunch going on in here. There's some dust. We'll go through and get it with the brush a little bit, try to loosen up some stuff physically. This one's really not in too bad a shape. This is a typical Class AB Pro Audio amplifier. Looks like they got some kind of power filtering. Oh no, this is the 4 rectifiers underneath here, 4 bridge rectifiers. So you get a power transformer. It's got a positive, a center tap, and a negative. Goes to your bridge rectifier. Center tap comes out into both cap banks. You got your positive rail and your negative rail, and it push pulls with the transistors. Standard design. It does have larger. I don't know the. What is that model of that? I don't know those. It has larger transistors. I forget the name of that style. TO something something. Not 220. They're larger packages. But anyway, we'll get a little bit of contact cleaner for the connections back here. And a little bit of detox for the volume knobs. We'll work those a little bit. This amplifier does look a little dirty on the bottom, but nothing's really coming. Nothing's coming out. It's just surface rust for some reason on the casing. It's got a little bit of rust, which isn't the best. No capacitor bulging. This is a pretty good airflow. All the heat kind of stays straight through it. I'll go ahead and dust off the back panel here. Get the fan level at it. Looks like this needs to be tightened up as well. It's input-output board. There we go. A little bit of cleaning, not too much, and that's all set. Oh, no, it's not. We're going to go ahead and clean that front face because that looks gross. It's common like these for these amplifiers to be dirty. Soda or liquid spilled on them and different stuff like that. I get this the best we can. Not going to get it perfect, but use this to go ahead and wipe down the floor. Or the inside of this casing, rather, the bottom of the housing. Try to wipe off some extra dust. Alright. That'll be good to go. Put the cover back on, and it's good to go for another gig, another rig, whatever you want to call them. We'll play some more. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a message. The description of the video has all my contact information. You can contact me on Facebook or send me an email. If you need something repaired or cleaned out, let me know. I'm in the Central Florida area. Thank you guys.